What up, YouTubes? I wanted to invite you to my moment of suspense. Here's where we're at. Charger number 1 has been modified. What I did is I took myself an aluminum can. I butchered the aluminum can. Trusty Dremel. Safety first, people. All right. You only get one set of eyes. Here's what I did. I made myself several sleeves, okay, and I inserted said sleeve down into le charger, and I kind of, maybe you can see it's a tiny bit scuffed up, but what I did is I tried to create a protective barrier between the cable and the Dremel. Of course, slow and steady wins the race, right? Patience, carefulness. So the cutting disc seemed to be the most effective. I had a grinding bit and some other miscellaneous bits, but the cutting disc seemed to do the best work. So I'm hoping I was careful enough not to nick the wire. So here we go. First test bed. Got it plugged into the brain box into the bike, charger to the aux port, and this is going to go into my 110. I was going to put the fan on here just for troubleshooting, or whatever you call that, testing, but that is not going to happen tonight. So here we go. Let's plug it in and hope all goes well. Waiting for the contactor. Okay, contactor clicked. I have charge light. And we're not going to get the fan kicking on because it's not connected. But I think we're in good shape, ladies and germs. Yes. Alright. So that is going to sit in the channel like so once it's installed in the Bellypan. So this one is ready for some thermal paste, thermal compound, whichever you prefer. And we'll mount it to the Bellypan right here. I should call it a saucepan because it's saucy. Look at it. Oh, it's so delicious. Alright. This charger will be the next one up. But I'll tell you what. I'm not going to get to it tonight because my nerves are shot. Let me tell you, it's not easy. It's not easy being cheesy. Good God. I don't have a steady hand. I'm not a surgeon. You know what I mean? So I had to take my time. Be careful with it. Anyway, I am going to unplug the bike because I don't want a full charge. Right, makes sense. Don't want to charge it, don't plug in the charger. Alright, there we go. So, welcome to today's update. Thank you for participating in the emotional stress test. Oh my gosh, you have no idea how nervous I was. But, all is well, right? Yes, you had faith in me. I don't know why I didn't. But now I have more faith in myself. So, party on, Wayne. Party on, Garth. Alright, guys. Sweet. I will. Look at this. Look at this mess. It's disgusting. I need a maid. Someone needs to come in here and clean this for me. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take it easy. Stay safe.